Hello dear children, how are you? You all are fine? Okay, thank you. Welcome to eSuvidha. So students, already we have read something about the topic Mahagiri the kind elephant. Today we will learn reading of SGB3, find out new words, remembrance of new words, clarification of new words, fill in the blanks. So students, now I will read the SGB3. You listen to me carefully. SGB3 paragraph 3. Now Mahagiri carried the flagpole up to the pole, but suddenly he stopped and turned back. The Mahout who was sitting on him ordered him to put the flagpole in the hole, but Mahagiri would not move. The Mahout shouted and screamed at him, but still he did not move. The villagers were angry and they shouted at the Mahout. Mahagiri could not stand the noise any longer. He threw away the flagpole, and the Mahout was also thrown off. The people became so frightened that they ran away for their lives. Paragraph 4. Mahagiri was now alone. He moved to the hole and went down on his forelegs. He put his long trunk into the hole and gently picked up a kitten. The little cat had been hiding in the hole. The people had been watching all this. They knew why the elephant had not obeyed the Mahout's orders. He did not like to kill the kitten. Mahagiri then placed the flagpole into the hole and held it straight with his trunk. Everyone at the temple gave sweets and fruits to the elephant. From that day, Mahagiri became the villagers' favorite elephant and the children's best friend. So students, let's find out some new words or phrases. Mahout, ordered, shouted and screamed. Frightened, obeyed, let's know how to remember these new words more easily. Mahout, M-A-H, Mahout, O-U-T, ordered, O-R-D-E-R, E-D, ordered. Now shouted and screamed. Shout, S-H-O-U-T, shouted, E-D, and screamed, S-C-R-E-A, scream, M-E-D. Now frightened, F-R-I-G-H-T, fright, and E-N-E-D. Now obeyed, O-B-E-Y, obeyed, E-D. Let's clarify these new words. Mahout means the person who drives and trains elephants. Now ordered. Gave an authoritative instruction to do something or commanded now shouted and screamed. Loud cry, here is in bracket, instructing the elephant to do. Now frightened, afraid of. Now obeyed, worked as per instructions. So let's clarify these new words more vividly. First, Mahout. See children, this is the picture of a Mahout, of this elephant. He is the Mahout. This is the elephant. Understand Mahout? Now students, order. The judge, order. The people to maintain silence in the court. Understood? Order. Now shouted and screamed. The Mahout shouted and screamed at Mahagiri due to some reasons. Understood? Now frightened. I became so frightened to see a large snake on the road. Understood? Obeyed. We should obey our parents and elders. Understood? Obey. The past tense of obey is obeyed. So students, note it. Let's do question number 1. Question 1. Fill in the blanks with the missing letters to make a meaningful God. And A, M dash H dash UT. Now in B, O dash D, C S dash AD. Now in D, S dash now in E, F FR dash GH dash ENAD. Now in F, O dash EY dash D. Let's fill. In A, I will put A and O. The word is Mahout. MAHOUT. Now in B, first I will put R, then E. The word is ordered. ORDERED. Now in C, first I will put H, then T. The word is shouted. SHOUTED. Now in D, first I will put C, then A. The word is screamed. SCREAMED. Now in E, first I will put I, then T. The word is frightened. FRIGHTENED. Now in F, first I will put B, then E. The word is obeyed. OBEYED. So students, note all this. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.